All right guys, welcome back. My name is Steve with LRM. Today we're going to talk about engine performance and how about truck performance, right? Especially in the big rigs. We don't want to be in the 4 to 5 miles per gallon if possible. So what we're going to do is we're going to talk about a few things you guys can do to keep engine performance in great tip-top shape. But before we get started, guys, don't forget to subscribe. Also, leave a comment at the bottom. Any concerns or questions you want to ask me, right? And the videos that you've seen, guys, don't forget to pound that like button. All right, so engine performance of overall the vehicle, right? Let's start with the basic. Oil changes and replacing fuel filters. Fuel filters are clogged, you're choking out the fuel system, putting dirty in there, and then it's struggling. You're gonna burn up your fuel pump, engine works harder, you're dumping crap into the cylinders, which you don't wanna do. You'll have poor performance. Next one would be air filter, right? The air filter, if it's plugged up, you're choking out your turbo. It's trying to suck in all that nice fresh air, and you're giving it pretty much cancer with the bad lungs. Next thing is any kind of boost leak. You have all that boost coming from that turbo, and if it's not going all the way back around the intake side, you're getting outside air and you're gonna have worse performance. So those are your normal basic maintenance ones that you need to do. Air filter, fuel filter, oil filter, right? Any kind of air leaks around the engine. Now, let's talk about a few other things, right? If your fan, the fan in front of the motor, and it's losing air and it's not cycling, or the fan is staying on all the time, which is making the engine work harder. You don't want it to work harder. You want it to work efficiently. You want to have that performance, right? Also, the air in your tires. If you guys are running it too low, truck's working harder, guess what? Poor performance. You guys got to remember, it's your home, it's your livelihood, it's your baby. Take care of it. If you don't take care of it, it ain't gonna take care of you. And I've seen it with my experience where drivers to this day with these new trucks putting over 1 million miles and still going just because they give it a little bit of love. All you gotta do is love your truck, it'll love you back. All right guys, so that was about engine performance. Just a quick recap, right? Maintenance, as you can see, is key. Second part, you gotta love your truck. If you don't love it, it ain't gonna love you back. If you guys like what you saw today, pound that like button. If you have any questions or anything, any ideas you wanna know about to have better performance, leave a comment at the bottom. Hey guys, things like this, subscribe. I like to save you guys money. See you guys around.